Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix ROTK Tiny Titans Adventure game crashing or not working, keep stopping, lagging or other issues on Android phone. So the very first method is to restart your phone. For that, press the volume up plus power button and then select restart. So this will restart your phone. Once your phone restarts, now try to play the game and check. If not, next is to check internet connection. So make sure your internet connection is stable and not fluctuating. If there is any internet connection problem, you have to make sure that it's stable. Either if you are using mobile data, go to Wi-Fi, or do vice versa and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next is to force stop the game. For that, click and hold the game icon over here. Now go to the app info, and here you have to click on force stop and then click on OK. Now try to play the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, you are suggested to clear the cache of the game. So for that, click on storage and cache option over here. Now click on clear cache, and once done, launch the game and check whether it's opening or not. If not, you should check if the game needs any kind of update. So for that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, you have to search for the game, and after that click on it and check if there is any update available. If there is any update your game to the latest version, and after that try to play the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, you should also check whether your phone OS needs any kind of update. So for that, go to settings, after that go below, click on system update, and here you can find if there is any update available. It's already saying that already the latest system version is installed. So if in your case, if any update is available, update your phone OS and then try to launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall the game. For that, click and hold the game icon over here. Now click on uninstall icon and then click on uninstall. Once done, again go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for the game, and now click on the install option and then install it. After installing, now check if the game is launching or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.